What's going on, guys? On today's episode of the Repair Lab, we're going to be replacing the cabin air filter in our CRV. Now, no tools are needed in this video, so let's grab our filter and let's get to it. Now, coming over to the passenger side of the vehicle, we're going to come inside our CRV and we're going to locate our glove box. Here's our filter with our part number, CAF1781, and it's a cabin air filter. Now, after locating our glove box, we're going to go ahead and we're going to open it up. Now, if you have anything inside of here, you're going to want to remove it for the next part. Alright, now that our glove box is emptied out, we can proceed to the next step. We're going to come right here and we're going to locate this little hook right here that's grabbing on to our glove compartment. And there's a little ridge right here that you can put your finger into, and we're just going to push on it until it disconnects. Now we're going to take it and we're going to kind of push it up here into its slot. Now that we have our little connector on the side that's disconnected, and we can take our hands and we can take 2 fingers on each hand and squeeze the sides together and drop our glove compartment. Alright, now that our glove compartment is dropped, this is what we're left with. Now our cabin air filter is located right here behind this plastic cover. Now on each side of this plastic cover, there's a little tab with an arrow on it. This one's on the right side, and this one's on the left side. Now to remove this cover, we're going to take our finger right here and we're going to push on our tab and pull at the same time. Now it'd probably be best to use both hands at the same time, left, right, and then pull, but we got it with one hand. And then you're just going to remove your filter like so. And check out all that dirt and crud that was in our cabin air filter. And here's a better look at it in the light. You can see all kinds of leaves and debris and what looks to be like some kind of shells of some sort. But overall, pretty dirty. Now to remove this filter from its housing, all you have to do is just kind of push it out. Now we can get a better idea of how dirty this filter was. Now that we have our cabin air filter out of its housing, we can go ahead and we can install the new one. Now, it's important to note that the airflow was pointing down. And here on the side of our filter, it shows which way the air needs to flow through the filter. And also included with the filter is a set of instructions on paper telling you how to replace the cabin air filter. So now we're going to take our cabin air filter and we're going to put it back inside of the housing. And to do that, you're just going to kind of set it in there like so. And now we're going to take our cabin air filter in the housing and we're going to reinstall it in its original position. So we're going to take it and we're going to put it into its slot, push it back, and then you should hear a click indicating that it's fully seated. And now we're going to take our glove box and we're going to push the sides together again with 2 fingers on each hand and slide it back up and let go. And now our glove box is properly seated in its original position. Now that our glove box is back in its spot, we can come back over here to our plastic clip. Now we're going to do the opposite of what we did to take it off. We're going to pull it down and we're going to hook it onto this plastic piece right there. And you should hear a click when it's in its right position. Now we're going to test out our glove box, make sure it works all right. Works good. We're going to put all our stuff back inside and we're going to go ahead and shut it closed. Now this video applies to all Honda CR-Vs from the years 2007 to 2011. I hope you learned something in this video. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and don't forget to hit that little bell for notifications on future videos. My name's Greg with the Repair Lab, and have a great rest of your day.